friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do an antutu benchmark test after the Realme UI update in the OnePlus 70 device. Sorry friends, not OnePlus 70, it's a Realme X2 device. So basically it looks like a OnePlus 70. So that is how I made the phone to look like, installing the stock Android wallpapers and installing the stock navigation bar buttons. Even the control panel looks close to the stock Android, even the volume gestures as well, everything. So I left the links to in the description friends, how you can do this kind of things by installing the wallpaper or by installing few applications. You can make your phone look like the stock Android experience. So let's get started with this antutu benchmark test friends. So the reason why I'm doing this kind of test is that after the Realme UI update, let's see whether we got any performance change in terms of using the phone Realme X2 phone. So before the Realme UI update, let me show you the score, how much I have got. As you can see friends, 2,65,000. So which I have received I think when I bought my phone in the December. So even here is a video friends which I uploaded 2 months back, which I scored 2,64,000 in the antutu benchmark test in the Realme X2 device. So which has a Snapdragon 730G processor, and let's check friends how much score you can get after the Realme UI update. So recently the phone has received the Realme UI update friends, so which I did the video on that as well, so demonstrating on what is the size of the Realme UI update and regarding the features what it has. And even the playlist, there is a Realme UI update playlist friends, so which I uploaded plenty of videos on the Realme UI alone. So do check the links in description friends for the playlist of Realme UI as well. And let's see friends how will the performance will be in the Realme X2 after the Realme UI update. And my worry is regarding the battery life friends, which got impacted in the Realme X2 Pro device, which has a Realme UI update, and the battery life got decreased after the Realme UI. And let's see whether the battery life is the same or it got decreased or not. So again I'll be back friends once the test has been completed successfully. So finally friends, the score has been got 2,71,000 in the Realme X2 phone after the Realme UI update friends. So I think technically the performance got a little bit increased from comparing with the 2,65,000. So that's only the 10,000. There's a difference in terms of score overall, antutu benchmark score friends. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And if you want to know in details how you can set up your phone Android as a close to stock Android, so definitely friends, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, and very soon I'll be doing a video on that explaining all these kind of features in one video. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.